Dogs near the Chernobyl nuclear power plant are genetically different compared to those living farther away from the site of the nuclear disaster. When the Chernobyl nuclear power plant exploded in 1986, people and their pets living nearby were evacuated to prevent radioactive contamination. Sadly, many of the pets left behind were culled, but some dogs were lucky enough to escape the hunters and were looked after by cleanup workers. Today, more than 800 of their descendants roam the area in and around the abandoned plant. Scientists are studying these dogs to understand the long-term effects of radiation exposure on their genes. The researchers collected blood samples from 302 dogs living in and around Chernobyl. Of the dogs sampled, 132 lived in close proximity to the nuclear plant. They were either inside the facilities that store spent nuclear fuel, in the railway station next to the plant, or in the woods directly surrounding it. Another 154 were stray dogs in Chernobyl City, a largely abandoned town. The rest were stray dogs in Slavutich, a more populated area that has been exposed to less radiation. The researchers sequenced the genomes of these dogs and compared them to those of free-breeding dogs from other parts of Ukraine and nearby countries. They found that the genomes of the dogs living near the nuclear plant and in Chernobyl sufficiently differed from those of dogs in other areas. At this stage, it is unclear whether this is because their genomes have been altered by radiation, because individuals with certain genetic features have been more likely to survive the radiation and pass down their genes, or as a result of 37 years of inbreeding due to the dog's relative isolation. The researchers are going full steam ahead to find out. They hope to use their findings to develop protections against radiation exposure for both people on Earth and those venturing into space where radiation levels are extremely high.